Hello friends, welcome to Fast Coder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. Please don't apply jobs to UAE and USA if you are residing in India. If you are residing in UAE or USA, you can apply UAE and USA jobs. So in this session, we are going to see jobs for freshers, experienced coders, as well as walk-ins and few nursing jobs. If you like this session, please click on like button to motivate and encourage me. So we have first job is for COTBT. So they are looking for HCC quality analyst. So it is work from office. So they have provided their mobile number and email ID here. So you can apply using the details. So next one is for healthcare assistant, patient clerk, female. So this is for Aster clinics. So you can apply using this email ID. Next one is for certified medical coders, specialty E&M with cardio or ortho mandatory. So job location is in Hyderabad. So they have provided their mobile number. You can apply using the provided mobile number. Next one is for eligibility verification. Location is Hyderabad. So this is work from office. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using the provided mobile number. So next one is for Atos Intel, formerly Anthelio Private Limited. So they are looking for 20 E&M OP openings. So next they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for Coro Health. So they are looking for certified medical coder, specialty HCC. So this is work from home job, sorry, work from office job. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for Novotech is hiring freshers, clinical data programmer trainee. So the job location is Bangalore. So they are needed only freshers. So they have provided the link here. I will post link in the job description of this video. Next one is for hiring for medical coder freshers department SCC. So they have provided their mobile number here. So this job location is Kharadi, Pune. So this is urgent requirement. If you are a medical coder freshers, apply this job urgently. So next one is for medical coder freshers. So they have provided the mobile number here. You can apply using the mobile number. Job location is Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. So next one is for OT nurses. So they have provided their email ID here. So you can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for hiring nurses. Job location Dubai. So they have provided their email ID. So you can apply using the email ID. So next one is for IQVIA is hiring for associate clinical lead. So they have provided the requirements here. So this is mode of work remote. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for Melio is hiring two FT remote CDA contractors. So this is basically USA job. So you don't apply if you are in India. So if you are residing in USA, you can apply for this job. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for ED Pro and facility. So they have provided their email ID, sorry, their mobile number. You can apply using the mobile number. Next one is for only 6 months coding experience. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for Prolifi is in need of AR callers. So they are looking for 2 to 3 years experience. So job location is Chennai. So they have provided their mobile number. You can call them using the provided mobile number. So next one is for hiring for coding trainer at TL position. So they have provided their email ID. So job location is Bangalore. So company is Agility. So next one is for Pacific Global and Access Healthcare Company. So they are looking for radiology, urology denials IPDRG QA and surgery. So they have provided their mobile number as well as the email ID. You can apply using these details. So next one is for Chirag Health. So this is job location is all over India. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So they are providing work from home and work from office jobs. So next one is for V Technologies. So mostly they are looking for all the specialties. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for Kaplan INC. They are looking for assistant manager, Coimbatore location. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for Eclair Solutions. So they are conducting walk-ins from 26 to 28. So you can go to that company and you can apply for the job. They are looking for verification of benefits. So next one is for general healthcare. They are looking for experienced AR callers. So minimum 1 year is enough. So they are provided their email ID and mobile number. Job location is Noida. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for Carol is hiring AR candidates, minimum experience 1 year. So job location Noida, they have provided their email ID and you can apply using the provided details. Next one is for R1 RCM Global. They are looking for SDS and denials. So job location is Hyderabad, Noida, Bangalore, Chennai. So you can apply using the provided mobile number. So next one is for Cognizant. Location is MEPZ, Tambaram, Climb, Adjudication. So they are looking for 15 to 20 people. So this is work from office. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using the mobile number. So thank you guys. Thanks for visiting Fastcoder 21. So please click on like, comment and share this session to job seekers who are looking for the jobs. Thank you guys.